Omena kubwa kubwa.
Anapenda macho hawezi kuona.
Hataki macho? Ile macho. Chagua omena. Hiyo ndio kubwa.
Ndio hiyo. Hilo chonjo kwa kalendo. Kama kikwate tena.
All right. Omena. Omena is a silver cyprinid, freshwater, little small fishes that are tasty, very nutritious. So let's figure this out. Okay, let me get advice from my mother. Mom, so wherever we take out the head. No. Mom, nakuuliza hiyo omena kwa tunatoa kichwa.
Yeah.
Kwa nini?
Ati?
Why are we taking the head off?
Hakuna. Mimi natoanga.
Kwa hivyo unaweza pika na kichwa ama utoa?
Wewe pika na wewe mwenyewe pika. Si unajua?
Unapenda kichwa?
Na kichwa.
Unapenda kupika?
Na kichwa ni mzuri.
Siku zingine nikipika na kichwa, natafuna mchanga ndani ambayo inabaki hapa kwa gills, lakini ingine inaweza kuwa hapa.
Mchanga natafuta mahali kama sasa hii.
Nipe glasses yangu hapo.
Hii ina nini hiyo? Glasses? Ajava glasses? You know where to get your glasses?
Kwa bag yangu.
Mom needs glasses.
Hey, great.
Thank you.
Little oyster shells. Kwa hivyo nikifanya hivi ni kutoa tu chafu hivi.
Unaona vitu kama hii? Nipe katri kale kingine kako pale au sufuria ni nyeusi kubwa. Unaona kama hii hii inakuwa na mifupa. This is big type hii.
So the big one has bones.
Yes. Hii ndogo mimi natoa vichwa hivi.
Big one?
Naona.
Big one? Okay. Small one.
This one. The small one.
Hii ni shell. Kono.
Umeweka shell hapo juu.
Kono.
Utakula mbichi?
Anakula?
Unaweza kula hivyo mbichi. You can eat it.
So you can eat it dry?
Yeah, I can eat it dry.
Hata hiyo unaweza kula mbichi.
Mimi sijaribu.
Hii inakula mbichi.
Yes, like.
Ngoja mimi nauliza hii.
Nani? Hiyo ni shell.
Hiyo ni shell ya inaitwa
snail. Kisugulia saa. Kila na hiyo mboga hii. Kunde hapana. Nderema?
Nderema hapana.
Na nderema iko Amerika kweli?
Iko.
Aralivo.
Sitapanda. You grow it if you want.
Ulitoa mbegu wapi?
Nderema?
Yes.
Sina nderema. I don't have nderema. Umechoka?
Ndio wapi?
Si wacha nionje.
Ata. Fanya nini?
Wacha nicheke kisa. Okay, omena ready to go. Next tunafanya cheese saga. You've seen me make this before. Bitter herbs that acquired taste. But okay, so for the omena we have to wash it because it has a lot of silt in it, like you saw it shifted. It has a lot of sediments in it, so you want to wash it with some warm water and then sieve it out and then fry it like you fry any dried fish. just gonna put aromatics, onions, tomatoes. Sometimes it goes really good with cream, or if you've had cream omena, that's something. Like this one.
Weka maji baridi kwanza. Because this is too hot, isn't it?
Yes, you boil. That's
You boil.
That's boiling. So you're washing off the sediments, eh? You're washing off the sediments?
Unafanya namna hii?
Tasha hiyo? That enough?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, this one. Okay.
What is this? Oh my God.
That's the last time again. So we're just washing it off.
Yeah.
Sand, silt. What? So I'm gonna keep this simple. Scallions from my mom's garden. Oh, I'd like to take you through all that. Good living. And tomatoes. Simple. Scallion, tomatoes. Let's make omena.
Two to 3 minutes of frying will get this nicely aromatic. Just oil, scallions, and then we're going to put some tomatoes in there, cook this down. Looks good, smells good, beautiful. Alright folks, here's a critical part. You want to just sieve it from the top because all the sediments have gone to the bottom. Just sieve from the top. Whatever's sunk to the bottom is stuff you do not need. Silt, bad fish. So yeah.
All right, mom is chilling. My omena is simmering. 10 minutes. Should be done in 10 minutes. Just onions, spring onions, tomatoes, a bit of black pepper, a bit of white pepper, salt. Adjust to your liking. Yeah. Smells like fish in here. Alright folks, my omena is out. Let's try it out. Like I said a lot of times, if you take the head out, it's less bitter. Leaving the head of the omena gives it a bitterness that I like. If you want to cut it down also, you could use cream, yogurt, whatever. But, woo! Oh. Daga, omena, this is authentic Kenyan food. Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, East Africa. Yes. Thank you for spending time with me. Appreciate you.
Besides our orchestra, trying so hard to